Number 1, si Multi. Bike number 2, Bibs. So bike number 3, si GTV. Full tank na rin. Yo yo yo, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome to another video. Kamusta kayo dyan? Happy New Year Philippines. 27 minutes ago na hit yung midnight sa inyo. Kami, it's only 8:27 in the morning. Today is Tuesday, December 31st. We are heading to work. The only reason na papasok tayo ngayon, kasi normally ang off natin is Tuesday, Wednesday. Ang only reason na papasok tayo today kasi it's the last day of the year. Naging tradition ko na sa work na ako yung gumagawa ng last drift ride every year. So nagkataon lang na yung December 31st nalaglag sa Tuesday, which is dapat off tayo. Pero since I've been working with my boss for the longest time, naalala niya na taon-taon ginagawa ko yun. So binigay niya sa akin tong day na to, pinag-off na lang niya tayo sa Thursday. So this week ang off natin is Wednesday, Thursday. So that's the story of that. Okay naman, today is my 6th day straight working. Medyo ano rin kasi talaga sobrang busy rin kami pagka gantong time, yung after Christmas tapos going to New Year's. Marami daw kasing dumarating na tao. Well, ang projected, ang sabi sa news, there is 400,000 people celebrating New Year's Eve dito sa Vegas. Siguro nakukuha nila yung data na yon based dun sa hotel accommodations, tsaka siguro sa airport, nalalaman nila yung total na taong pumapasok. Pero at the same time, I'm sure marami rin taong lumalabas na bumabiyahe sa California, Arizona, Utah, Colorado, whatever is the closest state, para mag-celebrate din ng New Year sa kanilang mga family and relatives and even friends. So now, papasok tayo. Kaming dalawa lang ni Omar TV yata, tsaka si George may pasok ngayon. Pero si Kevin and Mr. Sarap Vlogs off sila today. Nakalimutan ko mag-delete sa ano natin, sa X4. Parang nakita ako 24 minutes na lang yung time na pwede siya mag-record. So we might need to cut this short. Itutuloy na lang natin pagka malapit na tayo sa work, kasi nakikita niyo naman lagi yung biyahe ko papasok dahil yun lagi ang vlogs natin lately. Hindi kami masyado nakakagala. Nalaglag kasi sa weekday ang New Year's Eve tsaka ang Pasko, kaya parang it's like a normal day. Mamayang gabi, bago tayo umuwi, magpapa full tank tayo para yung mga gasolina ng mga sasakyan natin is puno. I have to do that para doon sa Civic din natin mamayang gabi pag uwi, kasi nung umuwi ako na isang araw, ubos na yung gasolina nun. Alright guys, tuloy na lang natin ito mamaya dahil mahangin na. Zoom zoom! Clear ba tayo? Clear tayo guys. Masarap yung biyahe natin, medyo mabilis. Medyo rumatra tayo ng konti. There's Georgino. Talagang sa linya siya nagpa-park eh, no? Okay. And we are finally here. Kita-kits tayo tonight pagka pauwi na tayo. Hopefully it's gonna be a smoother day. Siguro naman towards the end of the day hindi kami masyado magiging busy. Kasi I believe around 6 o'clock isasarado na yung strip. So may hirapan yung mga taong magdala ng sasakyan sa loob. So maglalakad sila niyan until I don't know, till 3 or 4 in the morning na yan. Kasi pag isi-celebrate yung New Year's Eve sa strip, sinasarado nila yung buong Las Vegas Boulevard. I've done it before but I don't think I'm gonna be doing that again anymore. Sobrang lamig tsaka sobrang dami talagang tao. But anyways, we'll see you guys later pagka pauwi na kami. It's gonna be me, George, and Omar TV. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Kahapon na siya. Papatira ko na biglang guys. That's what I'm saying. I would assume that the tip is not for hours.
Assemblyman Albert Bolaños.
So nakaka-proud lang.
Thank you.
Happy New Year, sir.
I'm thankful through my ears.
Damn,
Let's do this.
you already fueled?
I fueled this morning on the way here because I was at 40 miles. Do you need gas?
I'm at 19 miles, but I'll do it at close to my house.
Well, you should make a right here and stop.
No, it's okay. I know my bike.
You make it 90 miles?
It's 19 miles right now. When you go on the freeway, it's gonna be 25. Watch. Because it was green earlier. So.
Let me put it in eco mode.
It's a lot of cops, so chill ride, boys.
There's a drug dealer right here being pulled over.
Probably.
He's got cocaine in there.
Cocaine.
Cocaine na?
Cocaine, see?
Cocaine na?
It's New Year. They're gonna make an extra sale tonight.
Then it was just cocoa. Cocoa, senor, cocoa.
Cocoa.
Be careful with that lunatic.
What?
She's texting.
Here's Santa. They're waving at you. Good job. Oh God. Who's playing now, nigga?
Give him the heart. The heart.
Yeah, we're smiling too.
How much lower do you want to go, George?
What?
How much lower do you want to go? We're running 65 already.
Oh, shit. You guys go. I don't know.
Oh, you're falling asleep? What the fuck?
Yeah, let's go.
He's just reflecting on things.
I fell asleep.
Hey George, you're in the lane, bro.
Give me the heart!
You're
Give
in
me
the
the heart!
lane.
There you go! Give me the heart!
Sige, the heart.
Oh my God.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, come on, one up. One up with muscles.
There's the
There you
police
go.
right there.
Go ahead, go on.
Mm-hmm.
Trying to make noise, I'm making shit. I sound like a party grinder. Bam, bam.
You sound like a Dyson.
I told you, it's a Dyson.
And Big Mac is like he's like Moses, is parting the waters.
That's right. There's no cops here anyway. They're all at the strip.
Guys, next year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, man.
Bye. Gordy.
Happy New Year.
Hey, did you see what's in the schedule tomorrow?
You motherfucker.
Not me and John, mom.
Later, boys.
Later.
Have a good one. Be safe out there. Don't catch up with your mom.
What's up, dude?
Much. I'm waiting for this guy to make up his mind. I don't know. It's funny how everybody's quick in a straight line, and that's about it.
That's about it.
Are you good on gas?
Yeah, I'll make it to the gas station. I'm gonna fuel all the bikes anyway in my car. So after I fuel this, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna take one Vespa, fuel it, and then another Vespa.
Good. Have a good night.
Have a good night, brother.
Happy New Year at home.
Tell everyone Happy New Year, okay?
Yeah. Have a good one. Be safe out there.
Alright, man, always. You too.
Yeah.
And we made it to our exit. So like always, nag-exit tayo dito sa Rainbow North kasi magpapagas tayo. At 7 miles na lang ang natitira sa ating multi, pero kailangan na siya talagang gasan kasi para sa salubong sa New Year. Tapos uuwi tayo. Habang naka-jacket tayo, yung dalawang Vespa gagasan din natin para full tank din sila. Tapos yung Type R, and then we should be good. And hopefully by that time yung asawa ko nakauwi na rin, so pati yung kanya magasolinahan na rin para lahat full tank. Alright, gas muna tayo. So ang ating gas number 1, si Multi. Mamaya Vespa 1 and Vespa 2. Single cam gaming na lang tayo para hindi na natin siya buksan. Okay, uwi na tayo. Clear, clear. Okay, we are home. Mamaya na tayo magpaalam ha. Samahan nyo muna ako magpagas ng ibang motor. Okay, so 1 down, 2 to go. Mamili tayo dyan. Siguro yung si Bieber muna. Okay, next bike si Bieber. Pagkas tayo habang naka-gear pa, di ba? Kala mo pinalano talaga eh, no? Let's go. Iingay na itong motor na to. Maingay pa to sa multistrada. Anong nangyari doon? Ba't nagkausap-usap dito? May fireworks ba? Ano? Ah, yun. Dumadar na pala yung Altima. Pero hindi. Papanoche buena natin sa kanila. Puro shell. Nakakita ko ng video nito kanina sa Reels na yung masyado akong overdressed para sa gamit kong bike. Yung hindi bagay yung aesthetic. Naka-scooter, naka-leather, sampotsa, naka-boots pa. Basta at least safe, di ba? Sana lang hindi tayo maubusan ng baterya ng GoPro. Aya, okay. Okay. Medyo ubos-ubos din to si Bieber eh. Oh, pao serye. God damn. Talagang kawala. Sige, inulit pa. Kaya natin inaalis yung karton eh, para hindi mo may gas yun. Proud kid. Okay, bike number 2, Biebs. Tapos ang gas. Let's go get the next one. Muntik pa natin maiwan yung box natin. Isang recording lang to, wala nang putol-putol. Alright, full tank si Biebs. 0. Thank you, sir. Galing. Susunod naman si GTV. Let's go. And GTV style naman tayo. GTV style lang po siya. Lights. Okay, let's go get gas. At mauubos na yung baterya ng ating Insta360. Ang ganda tumunog. I like this. Hindi na siya yung pasigaw. Medyo marami pang gas na si GTV actually. 1 bar pa lang yung nabawa sa kanya, pero punuin na rin natin. Pasensya na kayo guys kung maarte baka naboboard na kayo panoorin tong vlog na to, ang ating end of the year vlog. Yun, no? Yan na ang fireworks. Nagpuputukan na sila dun. Wow, pao serye number 2. Last na yan this year, ha? Nagsawa ako sa pao serye this year. 2 beses pa. Pareho ng sakit. Oh my god, ang daming gasolina. Yung gloves natin may gas na guys. Yung kotse, gagasan ko na lang mamaya yung konti. Hindi ko na kayo isasama doon. Yung mga motor lang. Ito lang naman yan natin sa vlogs natin eh. So bike number 3 si GTV, full tank na rin. And we are good to go. Let's go home. Mauubusan na tayo ng baterya ng Insta360. Kaya sibat na tayo. Natsempahan natin lahat. Naka green light dito Usually stop ako dito, lagi dumadaan eh. Let's go! Here! Kaga nakauwi ang aking wifey. Sinaraduhan ako ng pinto. And that's it. The 3 bikes are done. Full tank and everything, ready for the New Year's. Alright. Alright guys, so dito na rin akong papaalam. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you for watching the vlog for today. The ating last episode of 2024. Our last video. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you again for coming. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace!
Thank you.